the psychology of procrastination, why we delay, and how to break the cycle. We all procrastinate at some point in our lives. Whether it's avoiding a big project or delaying a simple task, the tendency to put things off is universal. But why do we do it, even when we know it's bad for us? The science behind procrastination. Procrastination is not a sign of laziness. It's deeply rooted in our brain's reward system. The limbic system, the brain's center for emotional regulation and pleasure, constantly seeks short-term rewards. This part of the brain is highly active when we choose distractions over work. The role of the prefrontal cortex. On the other hand, the prefrontal cortex is responsible for long-term planning, decision-making, and self-control. But when it comes to procrastination, this part of the brain struggles to overpower the instant gratification driven by the limbic system. The emotional side of procrastination. Procrastination is also closely tied to emotions. It often happens when we face tasks that trigger anxiety, self-doubt, or fear of failure. When these emotions arise, the brain seeks escape through distraction. This is called emotional regulation procrastination. How procrastination affects long-term productivity. While procrastination might provide temporary relief, its long-term effects can be damaging. Chronic procrastinators often face higher levels of stress, reduced productivity, and lower self-esteem. This vicious cycle perpetuates further delays. Strategies to overcome procrastination. Overcoming procrastination isn't easy, but it's possible with the right strategies. One effective technique is chunking, where you break down large tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. Each small task feels more achievable and less intimidating. Key techniques: chunking, break large tasks into smaller parts. Time management, use tools like the Pomodoro technique, 25-minute focused work sessions followed by short breaks to maintain concentration. Reward systems, introduce rewards for completing tasks to train the brain to associate work with positive outcomes. Accountability, working with a peer or mentor can help maintain motivation. The role of self-compassion. Another important aspect is self-compassion. People who procrastinate often criticize themselves harshly, leading to a cycle of guilt and further procrastination. Being kind to yourself and understanding that procrastination is a common struggle can reduce this cycle. Research shows that individuals who practice self-compassion are less likely to procrastinate because they reduce the negative emotional triggers associated with starting a task. Conclusion: procrastination is a complex behavior influenced by brain chemistry, emotions, and habits. But by understanding the science behind it and implementing strategies like chunking, time management, and self-compassion, we can break the cycle and take control of our productivity. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to FactPulse for more in-depth explorations into psychology, productivity, and brain science.